Bear with me, guys. Bear with me, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello, hello. Hey, Eric Lake, Corey, Cave Trader. What's going on? Bruce Lee, what's happening? Hold on 1 second. I'm just gonna do something here. I'm on my mobile. Mobile. I'm on the run. Hey, Marco. Smash that like. Thank you. Amelia, what's happening? You just ain't right. All right, guys, how's it going? Can you guys hear me all right? Can you hear me? Hello, friends. Joom here. Maybe I am Joom. I'm on the run, you know. Hey, Design, what's up? Just ain't right. What's happening? Thank you, Amelia. Thank you, Donna. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Bruce Lee. Kenny, what's happening? Out in the wild. Yeah, I'm in a different room. He lives in Manila, so he won't be found. Yeah, I think you're right. Massive gap down, massive crash, you think? I want to ask them 8 ball. Let's ask 8 ball. Do it. Hey, Romeo, what's happening? June might be Bigfoot. Could be. Gap down at open. Shake it up. Shake it up. Yes, definitely. Magic 8 ball says gap down. So we'll see. Hey, Smokey. David Peskett, what's going on? All right, market's opening up in about 30 seconds. Appreciate you guys stopping in, hanging out for a bit. Working on 2 master accounts, up 900 from last night. Taking these to payouts this time. Yes, David. Absolutely. All right, little gap up. 8-ball was wrong. It's good to fade that 8-ball sometimes. She is ripping. Hey, biblical text. What's happening? Yeah, that's that Timu. That's that Timu 8-ball. I gotta order one from Crate and Barrel or something. Wow, it's ripping. Hey, Keegan, what's happening? Logical thinker. What's going on? 21661 sport. Yeah, we are ripping higher. Ripping higher. $100-point candle. Almost. 90 points. Wow. Holiday's over, get back to work. Exactly, yo, Jim. Hey, Hitchman. What's the move all about? I don't know. I think it was just... Who knows? I'm not really seeing anything. I mean, it's just headlines coming out after headlines. I don't really know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see anything like red. But it's probably just, I mean, a lot of times when you get a low liquidity market where there's like not much volume, and we just faded all night, and then you're just getting that short covering now. Weak sellers, they would call it weak sellers. Gonna postpone it for 2 weeks. Gonna wait for the 4th of July, then we're gonna decide. What time do equities open? Not sure. Hey, investors, what's happening? Red candles in the house. Who the heck trades these spreads? Me. No, I'm on that MNQ. It's a little bit tighter. I'm sure Nasdaq's just wild. The NQ, I mean, yeah, that's pretty wild. What's gold doing? Hey, Naif, what's happening? No, it's not smart though. Investors for crazy. It's a little crazy. Gold's not doing much. Nasdaq's where it's at right now. We're just cranking up. Hey, Corey. Thank you, buddy. Thanks, man. Yeah, no problem. Thanks for being here. Appreciate that. Thank you for the $2, man. Much appreciated. There's 100 points on that candle. Holy cow. I always find these tough to trade. Smash that like button for Corey. Appreciate that. It is a Bona candle. A Bona. Hey, Tyler, what's happening? Daryl, what's going on? Hope everyone had a good day today. This holiday never feels like a because it always falls like sometimes in the middle of the week. So it never really feels like a good holiday, especially for futures traders. Never feel like you actually get the day off, you know? Because the market was moving today. I mean, I traded a little bit today. I don't know about you guys. Traded a little bit this morning. Had to get some degen out. Yeah, because sometimes it's a sign it's going up. It's about to reverse. Yeah, I know. Looks like TPT is not counting last night this morning as a standalone day, combined with Friday. I don't know for sure, Yo Jim, but that probably sounds right. Taylor in the house. What's happening? Yeah, that is true. Logical thinker. That's a good point. Take profit trader. Their dashboard doesn't update too quickly. All right. Like 100 and we get like 105, 10 points, something like that on that candle. Pretty crazy. You're up 150. Go to the Clambo fund. Hey, TJP, what's happening? Get updates overnight, yeah. I think take profit traders counting 2 days because my profit is back to zero, but I don't know how they count it. Yeah, I'm not sure. Not really sure. Because every prop is different. That's the thing. What account size do I trade usually? 25Ks and 50Ks for the most part. Who has the calls to short it? Not me. Although it looks like it's probably going to put in an inside bar. Short to the VWAP, a little scalpy. It's not a bad play. I like it. $80 away for passing the starter plus. Good luck, Romeo. You got this. You can do it. CME has a holiday trade date calendar that tells how the holidays are counted. Oh, really? That's cool. Visible ID. Is that the VWAP on your screen? Yeah. For some reason, I think Project X. I don't know. The VWAP can be different. You long from 750? Nice. Yeah, for some reason the VWAP is a little different on Project X compared to the Trade of 8. You full port in 5 minutes? Oh, nice, Dawood. Making that bank. Making that Lambo money. Yeah, I know. I saw 0 Day J actually playing around with the settings of it, and I wasn't quite sure. Let's see where it is on my trade of 8. Around 813. Around 813. That's closer right there. Here we go. We are ripping higher again.
Order filled. Order filled.
Four micros long. Hey, Coach Set, what's happening? I'm on 3 minutes. Are you trading on the 3 minute? Oh, nice. Red candles, just zoom out from the chart, it'll correct itself. Yeah, I think it's good now. I like it. Big rejection here off 53, but I don't really want to short this market. Not yet, but it just feels... It's pretty bullish. Sammy, wish you were home trading right now. Only goes up, thank me for that. Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. Come on, this Bulenox eval. Lock out this master. Don't want to accidentally trade that one. Shorting to 780 might be a good play there. 50% of that candle. There's a pretty big rejection there. See how this candle closes. I might flatten this trade because it is printing a big harami candle. You think we're gonna fade that move, Mitchell? Possibly, yeah. Might just flatten this. I'm gonna flatten that. Be patient here. Pretty, pretty big harami candle here. Wait and see which way we break it. I don't know. Like I said, I don't trade these candles very well. If I don't catch the momentum, it's tough for me. Sell off yesterday, banks and big players liquidating their positions. Yeah, for sure. Big gap at open. Also, righty still looks semi-bullish. 2 micros. M2K. Design the righty trader. Nat Baba came back home, took a trade, hit my TP, 8-5-1. I'm done for Friday. Nice. It's a long weekend. Just over here holding my gold swing longs for 4 days. Oh, that's crazy, Tyler. Still holding it, huh? Boy, I should have held on to that position, but it's okay. Finally got a payout after 1 year. Awesome. 32 blown accounts, funded accounts. That's not too bad, Net Baba, actually. Congratulations, though. That's awesome. Congratulations on that payout. David Pascal, 22,000 on NQ. What the under over on the whole region turn into try next? I don't know, man. Take us on. I don't know. 32 blown accounts considered rookie numbers, kinda. But yeah, that's pretty awesome, man. Appreciate that. I appreciate that. Appreciate the kind words, Net Baba. I'm glad we could help, man. Yeah, it can be, Donnie. For sure. Took me 3.5 years to get a payout. You heard it right. 3.5 years. Came up with a new way of beating intraday trailing drawdown. Red candles, no, man. I mean, I didn't trade every day. I didn't trade like I do now, but, I was trading part-time like you guys, some of you guys. Took me 2 funded accounts to get my first payout, and it took me a year to get my second. Oh, wow. Net Baba. Wow. So you were one of the ones that it came easy at first, and then some people have it the opposite way, where it's really hard. But then some people make money easily right off the rip, and then they struggle. I lost 5K in prop firms, but majority of it was going to activation fees. But I've lost about 15K in trading 0-day options. Yeah, net baba for sure. Like I've been down that road too. But I should have just held on that long there. The Harami candle scared me. Now I'm a full-time monster. Yes, thank you, Tex. Blew an account 200 away from my first payout last week. Killed me, but getting better discipline. 100% coach said I've blown accounts in payout and never got to payout before. So that shows some tilty degen stuff right there. I invested 8K mostly in evals because I started doing 20 accounts copy trading thing. Oh yeah, Mitchell, for sure. Yeah, you start trying to copy trade 20 accounts. It's not easy, especially if you've never gotten a payout before. Took me a year and a half to get a payout. I was trading my own personal capital for 9 years though, Dawood. Oh, sweet. Wow. Been trading for a long time. I passed 3 evals so far. Blown all 3. That's alright, red candles. You'll get there, man. For sure. This is the hardest game to play. This is the hardest career. So we're just gonna slow grind up now, or what? That is nothing, but I'm happy that I recovered at least 1.2 out of 5. Yeah, for sure, Nababa. It's once they start coming in, the payouts, it seems like it once it clicks, it just I don't know. They just keep coming in. Yeah, 5 NQ cons with 500 profit, 1,000 stop. It either moves 5 points and hit take profit, hits stop, then you get back 1 NQ and have 1K of room before you get back to drawdown. Oh, interesting, logical thinker. Then use your copy trader for 20 accounts. Huh. You can handle 50. Nice. Hey, Roa. Make it an inside 15 here if it doesn't break. Gold pushing up. Let's take a look at gold now. Gold is pushing up. NQ is just sitting there. Not to mention Willie C. This year has been crazy with the new president. Markets are so random with all the news. Yeah, for sure, Willie C. It is very random. You could get a headline at any time. It's good to have hard stops in. That's for sure. It's hard one day or a week. You are green and got things figured out. Then the next moment you're down. It's hard out there. Yeah, it is. For sure. Most of the time it has to do with your psychology outside of trading. So whatever you got going on away from the screens really affect your trading. Really affect your trading. Spoke too soon, it's bullish. I know. Tempting long off the break of this inside bar here, but it looks like Alright guys, I'll be with the chat in just a minute. Just get out of this trade here. Struggling. He's gonna give all the move back, probably. Jose wouldn't surprise me. Pro Fast Guy, at least we have good music to help pass time. Thank you, Pro Fast Guy. Yeah, this is my travel setup, so I don't have as much music, but I think just had a small tornado rip through central New Jersey. Oh wow. Holy cow. I wouldn't be a bit surprised, design. Risky long, yeah, for sure. Especially with gold probably pushing up, huh? There we go, nice little push there. See if we can sweep the high here. Hey, Brad G, thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support. Get out there. Granny, no. 10 seconds left on this candle. I'm gonna hop out of it. At the bottom of the hour here. Granny, no! That's my favorite. Here we are flat again. See what the bottom of the hour does. Oh, is that who he was going off from, Tyler? I was wondering who he was going off from. Should make a 0 day chase out board. That would be kind of funny, actually, Yojin. That would be funny. I always give him credit though. I always give him credit. It's nothing but love. Dude cracks me up sometimes. Appreciate you guys hanging out on a weird open holiday night open. But what a weird, nice gap up though, huh? Just ripping. It's really hard to fade these moves off the open. What I've noticed in Asia, um, it's for the last few months or so, you get gaps like this that are that big. We might not fill this for a while, but we'll see. You never know, though. I mean, we just have a lot of room to the upside. A lot of room. It's one of those. It could be one of those slow trend days where you can just put on the 9 EMA and then just take the bounce off it. That's your thing. Teach you a lesson in humidity. That's right. Hey, full-time trader, what's happening? Good to see you, man. Backtesting the inside bar on 30-second chart. Interesting. We are pushing higher. I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. On button. I'm back. I'm back. I struggle to get a payout now. Trade 5 micros, aim for 20 points. Yeah, you'll find your edge, Hitchman. I mean, that's the thing. You know, you just gotta find your edge and then just stick with it as best you can. You know. I think after yesterday movement when markets closed, NQ retracing a bit into that, but this opening and now stalling a scary trade. Going 3 NQ. No, it was just one. Just new. Yeah, I'm not at home, sire. No edge, no trade, that's right. So I'm kind of having a little FOMO. I wish I'd have held on to my trade there, but I don't know. It's always scary. The market can always go higher. You want the short? I don't know if we're gonna get it. Not right now. We're just gonna keep squeezing. Looking for shorts, Austin. Well, we haven't broken a previous 5-minute candle yet. So we haven't broken the low of a previous 5-minute candle. You think the first one, you think it'll probably end up faking everyone out? My only trading Buell knocks are using copy trade for other firms. No, I don't copy trade. I just go back and forth to the different firms. Tyler. Which, tends to make me overtrade a bit. But what I will do is I'll copy trade within the firm. So, like if I have all Apex accounts, I'll just trade all Apex accounts at once. And then if I have my funded future accounts, I'll just trade all of my funded future accounts. Things like that. Hey, John Walk. Oh, really, John? That's crazy. It's market's going up now. But I move this never happens in my direction. Or it might, Jose, but then do you hold it? That's the thing, That's the trick. Because I'm guilty of it too, where I don't hold on to my winners like I should, like I want to, but I'll hold on to my losers too long. Hey, Dell in the house, what's up? Joom's in the bunker. Joom is hiding out. Hey, it's all good, John. What's happening? Do the same thing. Yeah, gotta have diamond balls. That's right, Nicholas. Took out major liquidity yesterday with a sell-off. For sure. Luke Jumwalker to the rescue. Actually gonna watch this 9 actually. Just for the fun of it. It's not part of my normal strat, but when you start to get slow trendies, this can actually offer a good entry, a bounce off the 9. So I'm just gonna watch it. Maybe take a stab here, but we'll see. Same here. Oddly, I enter the trade, takes my stop loss and blast. If I move my stop loss down, it keeps going down. You just gotta do the opposite, Jose. Just whatever you're thinking, hit the reverse button. Nah, I hear you, man. I had days like that too. I've had days where I'm just like, man, if only if I just did the opposite of what I was thinking, I'd be rich. It's funny how it works. Opposite day. I'll take 4 points of profit, but hold 15, 20 point loss. Yes, TJP. Yep, me too. Actually, you'll see here. Check my stats. Like on this account here, this account I've held the longest. And you can see that my average losing trade is larger than my average winning trade. But you can see my worst trade right here, 1672. My best trade, 757. And it was with one NQ. So I basically let it run with no stop. That's bad trading. This was, you know, that's what, 80 points? Something like that. But I still got the account. It's just that's just recipe to blow up. You keep doing that stuff. It's good to have hard stops, you know. Boy, we are just grinding higher now. The top step degen, yes, no stops. It's probably why I haven't been invited on. So guys, I will be on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow afternoon, filling in for Tom Sabo. I believe Tom Sabo. Yeah. So if you guys want to check me out, My Funded Futures TV tomorrow, come by and spam the chat. I'm not sure what time. Like maybe, I don't know. Whenever Tom Sable comes on. Around 11 o'clock. Okay, Tyler, cool. Yeah, I'll be on there with I'll be on it with Terry. No, I'll be on there with Terry. Terry Trades. Yo, Jim. Full Port Terry. We'll be on there. We'll see what we get to. Matt's on at 12 Eastern. Okay, cool. Oh, cool, Tyler. Yeah, I've done. This will be my 4th time on there. It's cool. It's good for the channel. It's good for the channel. A lot of eyeballs. Yeah, I agree, yo, Jim. Boy, we are just cranking. We are up from the open. Let's see. $181 points. Yeah, it is a lot of work, Tyler, for sure. Yeah, I definitely don't want to do it every day. But I said whenever they need someone to fill in or whatever, then if they want me, I'll hop on. So hey, Jose. Hey, Alfred, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. All right, we pushed up there in 21,920. Someone did call out 22,000. We could be pushing for that tonight. Just chased longs and got out green. Nice, Alfred. Yeah. Um, kind of wished I chased long. I didn't really chase long. I took the inside bar break. But then I don't know. I got scared out of it. So I'm only up 149 right now, but it's better than being down, I guess. This pump pissed me off. I'm FOMO'd. Yeah, FOMO for real. Iran news. Yeah, I'm assuming full tilt futures. There's all kinds of headlines. It's hard to tell what actually is moving the market, but I mean, we just grinded down yesterday, and basically we're just taking it all back, you know. So this is very interesting. It's amazing how you look at it and go, "This is so easy to make money. All you gotta do is go long." But sometimes moves like this happen after holidays. We had news, white news, while the market was closed. Yeah. Sometimes you see that during the holidays, which we did, sort of. Well, mostly pre-market. Get the grind down. Like during the holiday, like the actual bank holiday, and then when the market reopens, you see it retrace it back. Which is what Alfred's talking about. Boy, we are just cranking. Full TV. Oh, Trey. Any news? Well, yeah, I'm not sure, Willie. I think there probably was, but who knows? Nothing red. Nothing red. Buy high, sell higher. Yes. So yeah, so you guys notice I pulled a 9 up here, looking for a little 9 touch, maybe to hop in on a long, but you're still just mooning. Gold pushing down. That's really weird. Huh, that was really weird. I on the DOM, I went from gold and I went to NASDAQ and I noticed it was still stuck on gold. So I was looking at the prices. I'm like, oh, that ain't right. What's the worst that could happen? Go long. Happen with me going long at the top. Who knows if this is the top, Dell? I mean, this could go to 22,000 or higher. I mean, we have tons of room. I'm not gonna try to short. That's for sure. Trader Hub go down 3 p.m. Oh, it won't let me. Oh, really? Yeah, yeah, it won't let me. It stops. It's a quirk of Platform X that Project X. Yeah, I've never seen that before, Double O Kevin. I never noticed it. Get out of righty. Nice. 108 to 119. Sweet. Nice trade, son. Don't want to steal the name, but dang, good one. Full Tilt Futures used it, changed back. Oh, really? Pro fast guys? Do I have financial juice? I do not. No. I feel like bare chested trader. Who doesn't like a bare chest? You're up 830. Nice, David, on your 2 master accounts. Sweet. Nice work. Aurelian Discord. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is the news that I guess it came out. It's about Trump, Iran negotiations. So yeah, so that's basically what it is. Thank you for that. All right, finally getting a little pullback here. Still hasn't broken the previous bar's low. It's an equal low. I think we break it now. Full port short. No, I'm just kidding. Not yet. We did put in an equal low there. I'm short. See if we take out those equal lows. Get a little pullback. Loves to take out equal lows on the 5-minute or highs. There we go. Just a quick little 6 points there, 7 points. I'm scared to hold on to their short right now. Because a lot of people like to buy prior bars low, like on a trend up, they'll buy just below prior bars low, and so it's a little Tom Hugard strategy. So I'm a little scared to hold it, but I'll take that little scalp. Tiger's long, Pine is short. Did he just get in long? Becoming Warren Buffett, great documentary. I actually do like that, Sabak. That is a good. I love stuff like that, Sabak. That'd be a good one to watch tonight, actually. I love watching documentaries on people that are the best at what they do. Like what sets them apart to being the best. Like, like Tom Brady. Or even criminal stuff, like why was that guy so good being a criminal? Like Pablo or something, But yeah, I just love stuff like that. Well, I'm feeling so dehydrated. I gotta get some more water. Looks and smells like a bull flag. Probably, yeah. Let's look down at the smaller time frame. How do I do that? Oh, here. Very much so. Very much so. Just ain't right. Very bull flaggish. On the 2 minute there. 1 minute as well. I like that 2 minute bull flag right there. At the top of the hour here in about 4 minutes. Any water with electrolytes? Yeah, absolutely. I did just have a Gatorade before I hopped on stream. That's why I had to take a run to the bathroom real quick. Locked yourself out for the rest of the week, David Pescott? I love it. Way to go, man. Possible inside bar here. See how this candle finishes, but wouldn't be a bit surprised we don't pull back till this 9 EMA here, which is something I never look at, but hey, it might work good. Might work tonight. Men Who Built America documentaries, goated. Oh, that sounds cool too. I think I've watched a few of those. Watch documentary on John D. Rockefeller. You won't be disappointed. Yeah, sounds like I got some things to watch. Does anyone know the symbol for NQ? AJ, is that what it is? Look for the symbol for trading view on the NASDAQ. Sure someone knows. Hey Dennis, what's happening? Great show. Watching the 15-minute, Trev. Let's take a look at the 15. Let's take a look at gold too, real quick. Is gold pushing up? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I see what you're saying, Trev. In 15 minutes, it looks like it's putting in a harami salami. NQU5 on the trading view. NQ1 trading view. NAS 100. NQ25. One of those. It's one of those. AJ. I will stay in the 10-point range for the next 4 hours, yeah. Or at least till Tokyo opens in an hour. Austin. Did anyone get an email from Apex giving you 5 days to send video proof of myself trading or they will close my account? I have not gotten that email, but yeah, some people have. I want to make sure you're not a scammer or a schemer. It's crazy. I hope they ask me for a video of me trading, because I'm just gonna send them my YouTube channel. Like, look, this is me. I don't hide my account numbers because I always keep my account numbers up there. All my account numbers right here, down here. Oh no, Austin, you did for damn. You didn't have a webcam? Unbelievable, man. I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, that is true, Yo Gems. Put an inside bar here. I'm gonna try it. That 15-minute, which is on that Harami, I noticed that either Haramis or the price action eats up that wick. Yeah, oof, quick stop out there. Just get completely faked out on that inside bar there. This could actually be good trigger short. Could flip the switch. Right back to even on the account. That sucks. Yeah, that can tend to trigger a good flip the switch there. Debating here. Let's do it with the micros again. With 5 micros. Move the stop here. See if we can make a run back down to the VWAP. The VWAP. I'm getting rid of the 9. It's messing with me already. My chart's not naked enough. The VWAP. Keeping a pretty wide stop on this. We'll see what happens. I think we could possibly make a run back down. But she's awfully bullish. Hey, freaking Danny, what's going on, man? I like that name. Freaking Danny's in the house. There we go. This is a drop. There's the drop. Probably bouncing off that 9 now. Just gonna pull it up. Look at it bouncing off the 9. Methodical man's buying that 9 bounce right now. I can tell. Look at that. He's buying that 9 bounce. John Carter probably buying that 9 bounce. See, I told you he was buying that 9 bounce. What's up, Methodical? What's going on, buddy? I'm thinking about it, but the 15-minute Harami there looks like a nice breakdown to the VWAP. See what happens. Thanks, Trev, for that. Slarkin, how'd you know I was? I felt your presence. It's very methodical. You're on my mind all the time, Myth. You're on my mind all the time. Here we go. You're holding that 9 up. Living rent free in your head. Yeah, we actually below the 9 now. We are in each other's DMs. Absolutely. I sent you feed pics. You're not supposed to tell anyone that. Now you're cut off. Now you're cut off. Red candles. I'm holding the stop where it is for now. Fordham to Dell. Who knows what Dell does with him after that? I don't want to know. Put another inside bar here, possibly. Think he's going to drop? Yeah, I do. I think we could make a play for the VWAP at least. Actually, make a play to the VWAP. Might actually look for a buy down there. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Hey, his Royal Trades, what's going on? Don't know how people like. I'm with you, pro fast guy, but it's a big market, I guess. I'm with you. Finally got the flush I wanted last night when I got off stream. When I got off stream, yes, we did actually. As soon as I got off stream, the market flush. AJ, no offense, but I'll never move my stops or place orders based off the chat. No offense, but I appreciate it. I try to focus, try to keep my focus away from the chat when I'm in the trade. But no offense, man. I appreciate it. Because I guarantee there's someone trying to go long, there's someone trying to go short in the chat. You know what I'm saying?
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I take two off there. Now we'll move to break even. Yeah, 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 I'm in short. I'm in short, AJ. It's all good. Yeah, Trev. No, I love it when you guys call out levels. I'm just not gonna, you know. Someone says, "Oh, move your stop there, place your order there." Like I'm not gonna do that. Doesn't work so good. I watched Nutty Bar try to do the community trades once. That was a disaster. No, chat doesn't get me payouts, unfortunately. I wish. No, Tyler. Right. It's all good though. It's all good. It's love. Hey, Brandon, what's up, man? The community trades, yeah, that was crazy. So I left two on. I took three off. It's a little delay in the music. It'll pop back on here in a minute. Um, yeah. Trev had a nice little. He's like, hey, look at that 15-minute candle. I was like, yeah, we did put in that harami there. It's nice. So, good suggestions like that. I like. There we go. Push it lower. If, yeah, if you guys give me $200 donation, you can make a trade with a $200 stop loss. Yeah. Right. Yeah, no, it's great. I love you guys chatting and stuff. It's good. It's all good. Crude bouncing? Is it? Crude is bouncing. Crude does that. Nice, has some room to the upside too. Big time room. Could not trade and stream. I would be second guessing all the suggestions. Yeah, no, I don't. I that part doesn't bother me, Jose. It sometimes the chat I get distracted a little bit and I miss entries, but yeah. Yeah, for the most part, I'm still trading my plan and stuff or what I'm thinking. But there is an added pressure for sure. You get used to it though. There's an added pressure to place trades, trader entertainment, things like that. But I don't want to take bad trades. I don't want to trade just to trade. So I try to wait for setups. So if we get down to that VWAP here, I feel like Copy everything you do. Yes, do not copy my trades, please. You need one of these hats? Yeah, I just bought this one off Amazon. No, this is actually the original Maine state flag on this hat. So the OG Maine state flag. Gold's pushing higher. Pine Tree Trader hat. I've thought about doing some merch, maybe eventually. Once we get like 10,000 subscribers, which could take a while. Thought about this like doing stickers and stuff to like give away. But then I got thinking, I'm like, oh, then I'm gonna have to mail them out. Amazon $7 exactly. Red candles, yeah. It's like we might get stopped out on this. The two runners. Oh, cool. Pro Fast guy, yeah. They sell them in gift shops all over the place up here in Maine. All over the place. So not bad streaming idea. Chad donates 50 chat, makes trades, big profit if you wait. She's not a bad idea, Jose, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna do it. Seems like it logistically kind of crazy. Plus, I'd have to do it on a real account, like a actually making money account. Pine Tree Trader hunting moose mouse pad. Third party do all that, yeah. Yeah, I've looked into it briefly. All right, getting a pullback here. Still, I like that candle. Rejecting off the 90s. Guys, My Funded Futures has a great deal going on still. Buy one Pro Plus or Expert plan. Pass it, get one for free when you use the code PINE. It's a pretty good deal, actually. I'm working on some myself. My Funded Futures. You're short? Nice. Generally need an Arabian Sea Moose to come pick me up right now. Where are you, Dal? Arabian Sea Moose? In the ocean. Hey G, what's up? There we go. We stopped out on these the runners there. Market's pushing up again. I'm in the Bahrain Peninsula is doing me with the Jumite. You might find a future banner to scroll across the screen during announcements. I have no idea how to do any of that stuff. Pro Fast guy. I didn't even know how to do the little thing on top until someone told me how to do it. I was like, because when I first started streaming, if you guys are OGs, I would always put it in my disclaimer in the chat. And then someone's like, oh, you can just put it in the text in the Streamlabs. I don't like having too much stuff flash around on my screen. All right, we're getting the push up here. 21,900. Back above the 9. So bullish. Just a minor pullback here. I was really surprised we didn't pull back to the VWAP though. At 865s. I feel like my chat is delayed again. Yep, it is. Sorry guys. My chat was frozen. Slim Babu. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate the support. Long 96 and stop 91. Good luck, Trev. Ask Tiger, he will show, or I can show in Discord. Yeah, I know. I just don't like having a lot of stuff on my screen. I like to keep it just simple. I'm tripping balls right now. Every time I close my eyes, I see Alaskan trees. It's floating. Oh boy, Dell. He didn't invite me to the party. How come I didn't get invited? No, they do not, Yo Jim. No activation fees. Need more flair, Nate. Let's kill it behind you. Too late, yeah. Exactly. I need more indicators on my screen. More indicators mean more viewers. Yeah, King Julian. Absolutely. You can check out you go to my long form videos, and there's 2 pretty good ones. There is Rami candle one right here. First one. And then this one right here is a good one too. Trading strategies I trade every day. Simple. So yeah, these 2 right here are good ones. Up $38 with crude. The market is unpredictable now. I don't know where to trade. Hey, Slim Babu. Hey, you're up 38 bucks. That's good. I'm only up 79. I feel like I should be up 7,000. But I don't think I want to come on the meth off pine now. No, I don't. I need downers, not any uppers. 5-point stops are tough. Yes. My default usually is around 15 points, and then I move it to like wherever I, see fit. Yeah, no problem, man. King Julian. More indicators mean more viewers because people think you actually know what you're doing, I guess. Yeah. You gotta throw those indicators on there. Gotta light that screen up like a Christmas tree. I mean, whatever works. I mean, whatever works for you, it's absolutely fine. Hey, Roa, what's going on? What's going on, man? Good to see you. Could I trade M&Q while there's no volume? It's been pretty good tonight, in my opinion. 5-point stop is crazy. Yeah, I am not that. I cannot sniper entries like that. Mm-mm. All right, getting a little pullback here. Do we run to the VWAP? Yeah, it hasn't been too bad tonight. I mean, the volume. Got a nice long. Oh, nice Roa. 450 on the PA, 557. Need 235 to request one on Apex. Oh, nice Roa. Good luck. Good luck. Top tier package, you can add up to 20 indicators. 20 indicators, a bunch of blinking, flashing things all over the screen, and sound bites and money chinging sounds, and that's what I need. More flash, like Nate says, more flash. Yeah, it's been pretty good tonight, Trev. I agree. Getting a nice bounce there again. It's really does not want to come down, but I kind of missed that, didn't I, Trev? That Harami candle. So what happens when I don't have my Trade of 8? I don't see it as quick. I'm so used to looking at Trade of 8. And I'm not trading the My Funded Futures right now. Yeah, that was a nice trade there off that Harami candle. Boy, I missed it though. We'll wait till the next one. Hey, Cube. Good to see you, man. What's happening? Ice cold cubes in your mouth. Yeah, that was a good one. Damn, missed it. Whoa now, Pine. Missed my take profit by 2 points in the push up earlier. Now flat. Ooh. Should start selling. I think so too. I think we pushed down to the VWAP now. Boy, I really missed the boat on that one. That's what I was talking about earlier. Sometimes I get a little distracted and then I miss stuff like that. That's why I love the indicator. So when I'm streaming, I can easily see it. Hitting the road again, Trev. Nice. We're gonna get a collab with Tiger and Pine. I'd be down for it. I'd be down. I'd have to figure it out though. Last time I tried to figure out how to do the dual stream collab thing on the Streamlabs, I couldn't get any audio. Your dual stream. Yeah, I definitely want to do some more of that stuff for sure. Oh, what's going on? And loving those inside bars in the 5 minute. Never really paid much attention to them before watching your stream. Great for 10, 15 point scalps. Yeah, his royal trades. Exactly. That's what I do. Thanks, man. We watch the daily inside bars, but never on the 5 minute. So weird 15 minute inverted wick pattern. That's a long setup sometimes. On the 5 minute. 15 minute, I mean. Whew. It was a big rejection, isn't it? Bottom of the hour here. Oh, the bull's waiting for this VWAP touch. ICT types everything, eyeing the fair value gap. Yeah, probably. Yeah, it is a fair value gap too. Down there. I'm actually probably gonna try to short into the VWAP here if I can. Let's see what happens. Very bad at getting in on pullbacks and stuff. Yeah, probably Nick. Yeah, but you know how I do. I'm scalping. Scalping. Do I watch gold? Yeah, we watch gold sometimes. Do we trade gold? Not well. But yeah. Gold pulling back. $20 for 7 point trade on this 15 minute. I'll try it. Take a small loss. Look for a long there. We look for the bigger time frames. For pullback bounces, bounce off the untested wicks. Sovereignty. You get 75 contracts on gold on a paper account. Are you long or short on your paper account? Good luck, Trev. You long, Sovereignty. Good luck. Let's take a look at gold. You're bored, so you're on 75 in the 75 contracts. Well, 75 contracts on even on a paper account, it's not boring, that's for sure. Not on gold, that's madness. One contract on gold feels crazy to me. There you go, Trav. It looks like it's moving a lot higher.
Order filled.
I'm taking a long here. Does make me nervous if that VWAP's down there, but that gap, but we'll see. It is an inside bar. We didn't quite break it on the MNQ, but we broke it on the NQ. My travel mouse is it's not as it's cheap mices. Well, this one's not working. Not yet, anyway. See if we can hold this level here. I don't trade ICT, but when I look at the fair value, it's usually looking too long. It wants to get in the zone. I don't trade it either. You'd have to ask someone that trades ICT, but I just know that it likes to go to those areas. Coach set. It likes to repair those areas. I used to just call them gaps, and until I started streaming, and then people said we're calling them fair value gaps. And I was like, oh, okay. And then I used to call them like single prints, like on a 30-minute chart, the gaps, the market profile stuff. So yeah. Methodical Man trades IFVGs. Yes, exactly, Coach said. Yep. All right, I like that. I like that buy up there. Let's see if we can push up above. That wick up there. $905s. Hey, nice trade, Trev. Nice little cheap long. I love those cheap longs. Tried the Logitech MX Master. Yeah, I have a nice mouse at home. But yeah, I got this one when I was traveling because I had two laptops and I didn't have them hooked together. I was trading on both, so then I went to Walmart and I just bought one of these cheap $10 ones. But I have a nice mouse at home. Gaming. It's a gaming one or whatever. It's only tried to catch fire once. It was crazy. I went to charge it one day. Well, I actually got a new mouse, but it literally got so hot. And I was like, what the heck is that smell? And it was the mouse. I said, yeah, that's not good. That's not good at all. So I did the Amazon swap. I want to see NQ at least 970 before the reversal. I'd like to see 970 too, yeah. That'd be good. Poor high from Tuesday. Where's that design? Where are we at? Where's the level? It's good to know. Dead mice always smell bad laughter. Yeah, it's true. Come on. Let's break out of here. $22,138. Yeah, that's good to know. We probably will head for that. Don't know about tonight, but if anything's possible. Creeping up there. There we go. There we go. Hey, Smokey, good luck on the guitar. Oh man, I read the instructions wrong on the sweater, so now my count's all off. There we go. Nice push there. Arami candles, Synapsis, and inside bars. I took the break of this inside bar here. So you can see it right here. Took the break of this inside bar, and that's what we're going off from. I'm kind of targeting the top of this Harami. I figured we might run that, but yeah, I have some videos on it, Thanasis. I have if you look at my long form videos under my channel, I have a few videos. Actually, I showed it earlier. It's right here. Strategies I trade every day, and then Harami candles to lock in. It's clickbait, but it's true. Clickbait title, but it's some good information in there, I think. I don't just trade off emotions design, 100%. Do I get any strikes from YouTube? No. I don't know what. Oh, you're talking about, yeah, but I don't trade like him, Thanasis. You talking about FSP? I don't trade like him. Plus, no one really knows why he got the strikes. Anthony Cooper, what's going on? Just gonna take off the 15 points there. And the Nako's fan. Yeah, no one really knows why FSP really got suspended. I mean, people have their, guesses, but who really knows? Thank you, King. Yeah, that's right. Just ain't right. Could have been just people like kept reporting him over and over and over again, or bot attacks, or things like that. It's just unfortunate, It really is. Holy cow, guys. 220 people watching right now. Thank you so much. Oh, thanks, Thanasis. Yeah, I'd mix it up between some like, you know, electronic music, hip hop, things like that. But I'm traveling right now, so this is my travel setup. So I don't really have that much music. Guys, smash that like button for me, please. 220 people watching. Really appreciate you guys hanging in there. Oh, that's good, Steven. That's good. I'm glad to see that. I don't want anyone to lose their account, their YouTube account. I mean, he works hard. He's on there streaming every day. He works hard. Future for a Future did a report on it. Oh, okay. Coach Set. Hey, Futures for for our future. I know you guys lurk on the channel. What's up? I'm a big fan of your channel. I'm a big fan. Rock and roll soothes the soul. That's right. Hey, thank you, Dawood. Yeah, pretty awesome, guys. So yeah, I will be on My Funny Futures TV tomorrow. I won't be streaming myself, I don't think, but I will be on tomorrow on the My Funny Futures TV for Tom's spot. So the VWAP. Yes. All right, red candles. See you later, man. Good luck. Do I ever look at the like the ES 500? Not really, King Julian. No, to be honest with you, I don't. I tried for a while, but with my style, I'm kind of shooting for like, that 10, 15, 20, 30 points type trades, so I don't necessarily need it. But it is helpful. I know that Methodical Man uses it a lot, looking at key levels with the ES, because that is the GOAT. But for me, it's just too much information. I just can't handle it. My pea brain can't handle it. So I like to try to keep it as simple as possible. That's why you just see the 5-minute candles and the VWAP. And that's it. Somebody to represent? Yeah. Hopefully I see some familiar faces in there. I did ask them for some giveaway accounts. We'll see if they do it. No promises. Not for their stream, for my stream. So I'm like, hey, I'm coming on your show. I mean, I'm doing it to promote my channel. 100%, it's helping me out, but I'm like, I'll take some evals so I can give away for my stream. They said that they'll look into it, so that'll be good. I think they will. Yeah, I'll let you guys know for sure on the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, I'll post it up here. Real quick. Yeah, this is the Discord, guys. If you guys want to check out the Discord. All right, getting a little pullback to the VWAP here. I was wondering, are you getting paid to be on the show? No, sire, I'm not. Nope. No, I feel lucky that, well, because I'm friends with Terry Trades, 100, so, I have a little inside to be able to get on the show, which is super nice, and they seem to like me over there, so, and it's just a great way to promote my channel. So, it'll have long-term effects. So yeah, no, I'm not getting anything. They have a lot of eyeballs, which is nice. I think the last time I was on, there was like 1,300 people watching, 1,400 people watching. So not when Zero Day J went on and it was like 10,000. 10,000 bots. Oh. When you finish workout, an hour after, 25 gram protein, lean sources, 2 cups veggies, 235 grams of carbs, and also have 25 gram shake and 35 gram fast acting. A nice pro fast guy. Are you into the pistachio, the smoothie and the pistachios won't cut it? No, you're right. I definitely need to work on my diet a bit. Get some protein in, lean protein. I do get a lot of lean protein in up at my old man's house when he does barbecues. Chicken, some barbecue chicken, ground beef, things like that. Yeah, I could tell, man. Huge into fitness. How old are you, pro fast guy? Just curious. How old are you? Dude, you should start a fitness channel. Fitness YouTube channel. You might actually have one. I mean, you might already have one. I don't know, but I think everyone should start a YouTube channel if you're into whatever hobby you're into. I don't care. You never know what will catch. Definitely saturated. I watch their who do I watch a lot? Just because it kind of calms me, even though he's just steroided right out. Allegedly, is um oh god, I'm drawing a blank. Um oh, what the heck's his name? The young guy, not the Liver King. The young guy. He starts every single stream in his car. So this is why I need good Sam Sulak. Thank you, Sam Sulak. Yes, thank you guys. Yeah, Sam Sulak. I like watching him. I like his vibe. Dude's channel's grown crazy, but it's just oh, come on, Sean. No, he's not. No, he's not. Natty. Yeah, no, he's but I like his vibe. Really, really cool guy. Like, seems really humble. I like how he's still driving his Camry or Corolla, his old Corolla, and you can tell he's loaded. He's probably making so much bank. No, I don't think he ever claims anything, Cashhole. No, he doesn't comment. But I think he's up to like almost 3 million subscribers or so. 2 point something. He's a wild man. Seems calm on his channel. But yeah. He lives a couple hours from you? Oh, no kidding. He won't say it because he won't lose his sponsors. Yeah, no. All right, got Tokyo Open here in a few minutes. I do like the Athlean X stuff. Just because like one day like my back was really tweaked and I put it on one of those Athlean X things and he was doing some stretch and it like was instant. It's like instant. like relief. I was like, wow, that was amazing. 4.2 million subs. Yeah, crazy. I think I think I started watching him. He had under 100K when I was watching him. His shorts back? I am not short. I am just watching. We did put an inside bar here, but with Tokyo open here in about 5 minutes, it's making me wonder. Close my eyes and short. Athlete Next was caught using fake wigs, you think? Content was good, yeah. Yeah, I just remember there was like this stretch thing that he did for like sciatica, like sciatic nerve pain or whatever that I was getting. Basically from sitting too much. I don't get it as much anymore because I don't sit as often, and it was basically just from trading, sitting at the desk. But now, you know, with my strength training and things like that I try to do, it's much better. Don't skip squats. Don't skip leg day. Things are gonna move in about 5 minutes. The same problem with NASA's. Yeah. Yeah, his royal trades. I've thought about it actually. I really have thought about it. Yep. Because I have some plans at my house to kind of hopefully re rearrange and do like a little bit of a studio type deal. Um, because I have a full finished, not finished, but a full basement. It's dry. It's a dry basement. It's all insulated and everything, and um, spare bedroom. Then I have a kind of a little workout room down in the basement, things like that. It's just me living there now. So, and right now, like when you guys see me streaming at home, I'm streaming in my bedroom, you know. But I'd like to do like a little half studio type deal, you know, get a better camera eventually, all that stuff. But it'll come in time. Come with, you know, in time. Let's see. Omega-3 fatty acids, damn diabetes. I want some barbecue. You diabetic, Zabak? Um, yeah. That runs in my family like crazy, Zabak. They're constantly watching it for me. Constantly getting the blood work done. My song was hitting the floor, and sometimes I tripped over at Thanasis. Is good not a tradable instrument on my Penny Futures? What were you talking about, Andy B? You talking about gold? Maybe a typo. You can trade gold on my Penny Futures if you're talking about gold. Jeff Cavalier used to be a Mets head physical therapist and assistant strength coach. Yeah, that's the guy. He's get called out for using fake weights. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah. You are Taylor? Yeah, it's tough. My father, my grandmother, um, yeah, all runs in my family quite heavily. So since the age of 23, it's rough. Yeah, my ooh. Yeah, I know someone who had it at a young age too. Constant sucks. Fell down a flight of stairs, passed out. Oh, the weird data thing you gotta do on My Funded Futures? Yeah. Just watched my first Sam Sulek video. Now I'm so pro searching for growth hormones for my TPT account. Yeah, Sam Sulek, man. I don't know. I like watching him. I just like it's just calming to me. I don't know. It's weird. Yeah, there is a weird data thing you gotta do, Keegan. That's a good point. I can't really do it right now, but yeah, you gotta turn on the data. It's in their Discord, actually, I think. Let me see. Nice call, Keegan. It's probably what he was looking for. Okay, right here. If you guys can read that, that's how you fix. If you go to My Funded Futures Discord, you too, Kenny. Crazy. But yeah, this is what you got to do to update the market data for to trade gold on My Funded Futures. So, if you guys can read that, and I'll go back to the charts. I think yes. I think so, Casual. I think some people are just kind of yeah, definitely because I know some families like that like just literally like no one it's like it doesn't exist. And then like my family it's like, you know, just runs. But I do know what you're saying like, you know, I you see families like kind of like tend to have all the same eating habits and things like that, but yeah, I definitely can just run. Anything you would like to know, just ask here or in Discord or in live Microsoft Teams. Know the Google Needed been doing for years. Can post pics in Discord. Oh, cool, Pro Fast Guy. Sweet. Well, I almost needed you to figure out how to turn on this camera, and I realized there's a slide button. It's a little slide on the laptop. It's driving me crazy. See? It took it literally was so frustrating. I could not figure it out for like a half a day. And I'm like, this is ridiculous. Because I didn't want to bring my real camera. Like this is my camera that I use, my webcam at home. And when I'm traveling around, I don't want to you know, bring that with me. So I just use the laptop camera. It works fine. Will Tennyson. I do watch Will Tennyson. Yeah, I like watching him too. Yep. I'll get you a six pack pine. I don't know, Pro Fast Guy. I've never had a six pack. Even when I was like a teenager. I've always had this pudge. Not really pudge, but like even when I was playing soccer and I played center halfback and I was probably running 10 miles a game a day. It was like I don't know, but it's all good, bro. That is true. I probably did have a little few six packs. Do I know why the market pumped? Yeah. Um, Posted in the Discord. It was due to the just Iran talk stuff right here. Hey, thanks guys for joining the Discord. Yeah, I was right here. Just Trump Iran talk stuff. Plus, I think it was kind of technical too. We just had this big slow grind down. Played defense soccer, nice. Yeah, it was the only sport that I was really good at because I'm short. I'm only 5'6". That notification came from this right here, Trader Hub, except I couldn't scroll down enough, and someone had posted it. And we just had some more news right here, Japanese CPI, but it's on the Project X and the Bulenox. You're 5'6", 159, nice. $159. God, I've never been. I think I was 165 in high school. Jeff Nippard, yeah. Is that the guy that got punched by that other guy in the gym? I watch him too. That's the science guy, right? He's like very science based. Hey, Jagrup Singh. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Guys, smash that like button for me. Appreciate it. Crazy amount of views we got tonight. We were over 220. Really awesome. Appreciate it, guys. I'm winding down now. I'm about ready to go get some dinner. I usually stream 6 to 8. We'll go and check me out on My Funded Futures. Join the Discord. I'll post what time I'm going to be on there tomorrow. And we'll hang out. Discord's pinned up in the chat. Really cool stream. Pretty good trading. I was pretty happy with my trading. I was patient. Stayed calm and collected. Told ya. I told ya. I shoot people. I just learned that only 14.5% of the men in the US are over 6 feet tall. Short king stand up. Wow. That's crazy. I appreciate you guys. Smash that like button on the way out. I will see you guys Sunday night. I'll be back home. But I'll see you guys tomorrow on My Funded Futures if you guys want to check it out. I'll be doing the same thing. I'll just be on there with Terry Trades 100. I'll just be slinging contracts. No, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. Appreciate the support. Use code PINE. My Funded Futures, Apex, Bulenox, Take Profit Trader. You guys know the deal. Thank you for the support, my baby channel. But yeah, My Funded Futures has that great deal going on. Buy one expert account or take our Pro Plus, pass it, get one for free. So use code PINE on that. 83% off. I believe it. Apex and Bulenox is both 80% off and 83% off. And Take Profit Trader, $119 for 50K, all in, no activation fee. Pine.